In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable notifications from Ludo King. So if you are receiving a lot of alerts from this game and you wish to disable this, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. So to do this, you need to go ahead and access Ludo King app info page. For this, just long press on your app and then tap on app info. If you can't see app info, you should see either a settings gear. Tap on it, or you should see the name of the app. Tap on it to access the app information page. Alternatively, you can also access this through settings. From here, scroll down to permissions section and you should see notifications. If you tap on notifications, you can see all these types of notifications are on, among them notification badges, floating notifications, lock screen, play sound, vibration, as well as permanent notifications. To turn all of them at once, just toggle show notifications off. From now henceforth, you will never again receive any alerts from this Ludo King app unless you go ahead and turn this on again. So that's how you can permanently stop or disable notifications from Ludo King game. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.